Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to open Margot Elena, the summer box. I am so excited to get in here, so let's do it. So on the Margot Elena site, because I always wondered how to explain this box best, it says that she is an international perfumer and designer who is reinventing the bath and body category. And I think that that is a fantastic way to describe her. If you go to the website, they have so many lotions and potions and perfumes and just so many lovely things. And then seasonally, they come out with one of these boxes, and it's called a discovery box. And it gives you a little bit of a taste of everything that she does at her site. And it is $49.99 plus shipping and handling. I think that's $6.95. But you get more than $200 worth of products. And I love this box. This is where I start every one of these unboxings where I say, and you can't buy it. It has already sold out. This box sells out so quickly. She did one spoiler for summer and it sold out. It sells out the minute they start talking about the boxes. Sometimes we get 2 or 3 spoilers before it sells out, but once it sells out, we get no more spoilers. So I don't know what's in here and I can't wait to find out. So as I open this, I will tell you what I say each season. After I've unboxed this, if you think that this is a box that you need to receive in your life, go ahead and set an alarm on one of your devices for about a month and a half from now, and then go ahead and purchase it. If you purchase it now for the fall, which you absolutely can do, but they will charge you now. So you will wait for almost 2 months with that charge being on your account before you receive it. But if you wait until about a month before it comes out, which would be just short of 3 months from now because I just received this. So in about a month and a half or 2 months, you should still be able to go out and buy this. So if after you see me do this, you think you want it, go ahead and set your alarm so you can pick it up for the fall season. Now that I've learned how to use my community tab though, I will try to remember to tell you guys that it's time to go out and purchase it. Okay, let's just open it right up. It is good and sealed. It's so pretty. Look, even the box is gorgeous. Isn't that just so pretty? And it says Sun-Kissed Days, and it's pink on the inside. Let's just dive right in here. The Margot Elena box is like body type care things, and they're all packaged so gorgeously. But you know what? My mom ordered this for the first time this season too because she sees me unbox it and she was like, yeah, I have to have that. And we were talking this morning about the fact that I was going to unbox this today. And I was saying that, you know what? It's not just that I was drawn in because the packaging is so great, but the products are great too. So once I get a little bit of the packaging out of there, this is what it looks like on the inside. So see how it's all nice and individually packaged? So we have our paperwork that fell out while I was unboxing it, and it says subscription box Margot Elena number 11. I think this is my, I want to say my 4th, maybe my 5th. And when we open it up, it will tell us everything we have inside and its value. It doesn't really tell us much about it, but I will tell you what I can from my experience with the products. This one has a retail value of $208.50. And again, it was $49.99 plus shipping. Hand-packed to bring a little sunshine to your day. We hope you can find time to savor this summer edition of the Margot Elena Discovery Box. Packed with cheery favorites to care for yourself and connect with others. Interesting. May these sweet summertime treats inspire many moments of beauty. All right, reaching right in, I will take right off the top since it's not wrapped, the Cottage Greenhouse Rosemary Mint Rescue Foot Cream. This is really heavy. It's kind of big. Can you see how big it is? Let's dig in here and see what it looks like. Oh, and it's so pretty. Don't you just love her products? So pretty. Cottage Greenhouse is actually a great brand. I'll put a link up here because I did one of their masks not too long ago, and I really enjoyed it. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. Oh, it's so nice and minty. Look, it looks like cotton candy whipped cream. I hope that the pink of that is coming across. It is so, let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. I know it's a foot cream, right? I'm sure it's going to be minty. Oh, it's really thick. Oh, it's super minty. Actually, it smells like a candy cane or something really minty like that at Christmas time. Oh, that smells good. This says that the Rosemary Mint Rescue Foot Cream has a $28 value, and the box tells us SOS, save your soles. Soles like foot soles. Hot and bothered feet are comforted and cooled with our revitalizing blend of essential oils. Rosemary and a fresh peppermint kick. Extra thick and oh so rich conditioning beeswax and jojoba leave your feet refreshed and super soft. Restore your gentle soles to the pet perfection they were destined to be. And it says no parabens, sulfate free, and never animal tested. And it is 6 fluid ounces. And again, that is what it looks like. So we're reaching in next. We have something wrapped up. Let's see what it is. Each one of these things is like unwrapping a gift. And then once we get into that, it is bubble wrapped. They do such a great job with this. Oh, I have a perfume. It is Tokyo Milk Light and Soul, Oolong Tea, Bamboo Reed, Orchid, and Air White Musk. If you know the channels, you know I am not great with colors, so I never would have guessed any of that. So I am so glad that they told us. Let's just go ahead and put it on. I trust her enough that I'm just putting it on. Oh, it's clean and nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like that very much. Initially, it was, you could smell a little bit of the musk, but it is already drying down to that brighter kind of tea scent. Oh, it's so clean and nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like that a lot. This is a great light, fresh summer scent. It is 1.6 fluid ounces. And oddly enough, I think that's a heart on the front, right? I'm just saying. Okay. And our paperwork tells us that that is the Eau de Parfum from Tokyo Milk, and it has a $44 value. So if you like it, it almost pays for the price of your box. Reaching in next, because it is not wrapped and it's super cute, is Cherry Bomb. How cute is that? I don't know if you can tell, but this is actual real glitter. Hope you guys can tell that. And it is also from Tokyo Milk, and it's Bonbon Lip Balm. It takes a lot of experience for a girl to kiss like a beginner. Ladies' Home Journal, 1948. That is hilarious. And it just comes in a little glass jar. That is what it looks like. And the balm says Cherry Bomb, and that is what that is. I might have blown my senses out using the perfume first. That might not have been my best idea. Oh, that smells so good. It definitely smells like Cherry Bomb. Oh, it smells so good. It's just a nice, waxy, I will definitely use that. I love these. I keep them at my nightstand because as a rule, as I'm going about my day, I don't necessarily choose the balms that you have to dip your finger in, because every time I get ready to do it, kind of like right now, I'm like, where have my hands just been? Do I really want to put them in my balm? But at nighttime, when I've just washed my face and I know everything is spick and span clean, I love to, right before bedtime, love it. And the paperwork says that this is a $10 lip balm. Reaching in next, right on top, I have some cards. Periodically, we get from her stationery cards. And what I like about these is they're always different, which I know is not going to appeal to everyone. But I don't know if you guys have noticed, I have a slightly odd sense of humor, and these usually appeal to me somehow. Like this one is, aren't you the cheeky monkey? And that's what the front of that looks like. I like it. I will write a nice little personal note in there when somebody has done something funny in my life, and I just like it. Cheers to having your cake and eating it too. That is so cute, and it would be just a nice but different birthday card. I mean, you could use it for anything. Like if somebody does, you know, like a congratulations or something, that would be a great congratulations card, but I like them. Oh, I like this. It's got the bee on it. Aw. Just because. I love that. That is so cute. See, I love having these around, especially now when it's so hard to get out to stationery stores and you want to drop people notes. I like that. The paperwork says that it is the Signature Stationery Trio from Tokyo Milk, and it is $16.50. Wow, so that's just what, $5.50 a piece? I mean, cards are very expensive. Next, we have the Cottage Greenhouse Cucumber and Honey Rich Shea Hand Cream. I love their shea butter hand creams. They have a floral collection and they have a vegetable collection. I know, it sounds odd, but it's just, the scents are different and they have things in them that are just so good for you. And I like all of the scents that I've smelled so far. And they come in the metal containers that kind of squeeze down, and I like that you can work your way down and you know exactly how much you have left, and it's super easy to get out. This says Cucumber and Honey Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. Cucumber is nature's emollient and sparkling tonic used to soften and soothe stressed skin. Cool as a cucumber, it gives the quenching boost your skin needs to look its healthy best. And this is another Cottage Greenhouse product, which was the same as the foot cream and that mask that I told you in the past that I had tried. All right, and the back of this box says, Dynamic Duo Avocado and Shea Butter provide the base to our luxurious hand cream. Add to this natural emollients, jojoba, and cucumber extracts, and you have an irresistible botanical balm that absorbs quickly, soothing even the most demanding dry skin. You are left refreshed and marvelously moisturized. Marvelously moisturized. And this has a $24 value. I say this every month. I'm not letting them off the hook this month. They send us these lids with the flat tops, and it has the metal top. So I went ahead and just poked my knife in it because we want to see what this smells like. Cucumber isn't for everyone. We want to know how cucumbery it is. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, it's barely cucumbery. It has a real old-fashioned kind of lotiony scent. If I didn't know there were cucumber in it, I wouldn't say, oh, cucumber, which is, I think, personally, I think is a good thing. Oh, I like it a lot. I am very pleased with the scent of that. Oh, yay. And it made my hand, I don't know if you can tell, it's so smooth and nice. I just love these products. Okay, reaching in next, I wonder what this is. We have another present, and we have a Lalia Relax Perfumed Shower Gel, Lavender and Honey, and it says number 8 on it. That is what it looks like. It is huge, so pretty. These shower gels are awesome. I have, and you can see down here, some of the hand creams like the Tokyo Milk, that kind of thing, because we've started getting them in like Ipsy's, and I'm so thrilled, but I can't keep up with everybody. Oh, I am trying now. I am trying. It has a $22 value, and on the bottle it says, fresh botanical extracts condition and cleanse. Honey-rich emollients of shea butter, mango butter, and avocado oil deliver skin essential nutrients to smooth and moisturize. And on the bottle it says, Lux Lather, soft, soapy suds. Fresh botanical extracts condition and cleanse. Honey-rich emollients of shea butter, mango butter, and avocado oil deliver skin essential nutrients to smooth and moisturize, leaving skin refreshed and hydrated. Made in the USA, by the way. Let's put a little bit of this, as little as we can, on the back of my hand, just to check out the scent. Oh, it smells so good. It's just a clear gel. It's lavendery, but it's like subtle lavender. Like, don't think about your grandmother's lavender. You know what I mean? It doesn't smell like potpourri or lavender soap. It's just got a really, it's lovely. A light lavender, clean, fresh, floral scent. All right, reaching in next. This is also very exciting. Ooh, we have a journal. I think it's a journal. Imagine, trademark 071. And this is a Lalia product. I always hope I'm saying that right. It's L-O-L-L-I-A, and I always say Lalia, but I guess it could be Lolia. This is what it looks like out of its packaging. And it is, yep, magnetized. And it's just a journal. This book of creativity and imagination belongs to, and you can put your own information in there, and it's just lined paper. How gorgeous is this? So pretty. You have a little tassel. That is so pretty. It says authentic Lalia there. I love this box. You might have gotten that impression already. $26 value. We have 2 things left. Next present. They're both wrapped, so I don't know what either one of them is. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Rosemary Mint Pumice Foot Scrub. That is fantastic because now we have the foot scrub. Before we had the foot cream. It's a little set. We have the best feet in town. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it came off and it's definitely gritty, but it almost feels, it almost looked like marshmallowy. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. You know what? I just love mint. I love the scent of mint. Like candy canes and Mentos. Do you like Mentos? I like Mentos because that powerful punch of peppermint. I love it. That is what it looks like. Let's just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, definitely pumicey. I mean, it's for your feet. You'd want it to be. Yeah, this is definitely not meant to be used on your body. You can see it's all grit. I hope you can see it's all grit. And interestingly enough, it smells almost a little floral. What does it say? Calling all rough and tumble souls. Heels and toes, this is just for you. Sometimes you need a little extra rub in your scrub. We've added natural volcanic pumice stone to create an intensely exfoliating quick fix formula that sloughs even the toughest skin away. Say hello to happy heels. Slightly sweet and crisp essential oils of rosemary and peppermint invigorate your senses. Walk away refreshed and uplifted. I just can't even begin to wait to try all of these things. This smells so good, and I know it's going to make my feet need this. I am barefoot around the house all the time now, and my feet are taking a beating. Although my hand, I'm going to show you, like you can tell, it is so soft from that. It is amazing. Again, I feel so bad when I show you guys this because this box is sold out. Not that you couldn't go. I'm sure you could go to her website and purchase any of these products. I'm sure you could. So if you have any questions after I try any of these about what do I think, I am happy to share. And last but not least, and this one is kind of big, but it feels really light. Oh, it is our candle. We usually get a candle each month. Not every month, but usually we do. This is a candle that came out of my Margot Elena. This is Allure trademark number 39, always in rose. Rose and hibiscus perfumed luminary. But how gorgeous is that? Isn't it so pretty? So pretty. Oh, it's rose. You know, sometimes when things are rose, I say, oh, it's rose, but it's a nice rose. Or, oh, that rose. It is so rosy. I love this. Oh, and in a bedroom or in the bath. Oh, if you took a bath and you lit this and then you did all your scrubs and oh. Okay, that is the summer discovery box from Margot Elena. I love it and it's sold out. I'm sorry. But I tell you this to say there will be a fall one and you've got to sign up a month before it's released. It sells out so quickly. And I just put my glasses back on because I didn't remember telling you guys that the candle is a $12 value and that this nice foot scrub is a $26 value. So in review, we got our gorgeous journal, and there are plenty of things to journal about now. The Cottage Greenhouse Rosemary Mint Rescue Foot Cream and the Rosemary Mint Pumice Foot Scrub. So that's a great set to have. The Cherry Balm Lip, the Tokyo Milk #1 Light, the Cucumber and Honey Shea Butter Hand Cream, the Lalia Perfumed Shower Gel, the beautiful Rose and Hibiscus Candle, and our 3 cards. $49.99 plus shipping and handling. Like I said, I think it was $6.95. But I find it so worthwhile. All of these things are for sale on her site. She sells them every day at the retail cost. This is just a great way to get several of her products for a really, really good buy. Let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care, guys.